This is Thea and Kevin's holding the camera, and it's April Fool's Day 2023. So we got new equipment. We ordered it last year and we're so excited it came in yesterday. It is an RTV X1100C, and it's kind of replacing old Pepe, who's what, 20 years old or so now?
Almost
20 years old. We'll probably still keep Pepe, but this at least is covered, which is really nice, and the branches don't hit you in the face, and we're going for a ride after Kevin shows you the video and the parts. All right, hit it, Kevin.
Okay. So this is the RTV 1100C, which is Kubota's, I call it their top of the line, fully enclosed company manufactured cab. So it comes from the company with the cab. We did get some extra things. It was 1 year ago that I placed an order, and I did it online. So there is, back in March of 2022, you could see how I went through and built this out. We'll make more videos about this piece of equipment because it's really going to be, it's equipped to handle a lot of our nursery needs and our workout back as well. Sort of like the ultimate tool rack that we have that goes on the back of the tractor off the 3-point hitch. That allows us to bring various equipment out back so we can work, like when we're doing firewood or when we're up here working with the nursery. So a couple of things we did get. We've got the winch on it down below down there. We got extra LED lights on it. The cab is pretty nice. You know, I just sat in it for the first time. Yesterday, Thea jumped in it right off the bat. She was the first one in it. And we'll go over more of what goes on in here. The seats fold forward, little compartments down below here as well. Got some of the rack hold down systems. I'll show you the rack system here. It does have a dumping bed, hydraulic dumping bed, which is really nice.
You want me to do it so you can show people?
Yeah, sure, hon. Go ahead and turn it.
I just learned how to do this.
Well, hon,
Here we go.
Hon,
oh, I got to turn it on first.
Yes, you got to.
Oh, the darn thing. Okay, Timmy, you have to come down.
And of course we'd have the tailgate down and all. Really easy access for the oil, hydraulic fluid down below. I'll go over that in a moment. So go ahead and bring it back down.
Now once you bring it back down, you're supposed to secure it and you press down with the clip. Alright.
You could turn that off now.
What?
You want to turn it off so they can hear? So the way it was explained to me is that the bed will actually bounce around a little bit unless you hit that latch one more time to lock it down. We did get this rather elaborate rack system on it. I'm not sure that this part's here. This is a base for long-handled tools, or it could be short-handled tools as well. And this is the upper part. So if you got shovels and rakes and various tools that you're going to be using, this is something for, it could be for weed whackers or any other long tool. We just don't want it to go beyond where the door is. There's different side racks for various materials if you want to bring your fuel cans out back or coolers or whatever it is, or various tools and all. There's a chainsaw holder on here someplace. I've got to look around and see just where it is. I haven't spent any time looking at this yet. But the rack system, I'm going to end up putting a canopy over the very top of it, ultimately. Go ahead and open it, hon.
How come it's not working?
I don't know, hon. Just give it a tug. Tug. And it's got, and we really like the spray liner, the factory sprayed in liner. Tie downs in here as well. This can be locked down. There's little lockdown clamps here on each side, and it allows that rack to slide forward. Really good for nursery pots and all. There's one LED light for the back here. That may be adequate. I haven't been out in the dark yet with it, so we'll see. So Thea's already adopted. What did you name it?
Suki.
Suki. What's that mean?
In Japanese, it means beloved.
Oh, there you go. I've got Elon and the Hulk, and she's got beloved.
Yes.
Okay.
Optimus
And I've got
Prime.
Pepe now, I guess. So we're pretty excited about getting this. It did take a year to get this piece of equipment, and one of the things I'd say is we really appreciate our dealership that we got this from. We drive closer to Rochester, New York, Palmyra, New York, to go and get the equipment and all, or at least to go there. But it's a family-run business. It's johnsblazy.com in Palmyra, New York. As I've mentioned in other videos, I had tried multiple times to see if I could work with some of the Syracuse dealers for the Kubota here, and they were way overpriced. They really didn't offer any good advice about what to do, you know, like ballasting tractors, how to go about it, what tires options are good, loader, front end loader components, whether, you know, what's best for your system and all. So there's just so many things that I was disappointed in. And then I found out about Blazy's in Palmyra, New York. They've been absolutely fantastic. Anytime I have a question, they take care of me. And a piece of equipment like this is well worth the wait. It's really tough to get these things. They're so much in demand all over the place. So that's about it for the video, hon. You want to say goodbye?
Goodbye, everybody. We'll be back very soon. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Take care. Enjoy. We got sunshine.
Bye-bye, folks.